Here I have CANON 750D, and today I'm going to show you how to remove battery from this device. So to remove battery, you just have to take it from this side. Here you have at the bottom battery. Here you have battery. Here you can see to open battery, you just have to pull this in like this. Then you can open this battery holder, or how it's called. And now, just like this, you can release battery. And here it is. Now you can charge it, I guess. Then connect it back to your camera. And that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.